Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently. So let's get started. The process for deleting Snapchat account is similar for both iOS and Android devices. First open Snapchat app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Go to your profile by tapping on Memoji icon, which is your profile icon located at the top left corner. Tap on Settings icon located at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and under Support, you will find an option I need help. Tap on this option. On the support screen, scroll down and tap on My Account and Security option. Here you will find Delete My Account option. Just tap on this. You may read the instructions here. One thing to note here is that when you take an action to delete your account, it will be deactivated for 30 days. Your friends will not be able to contact you on Snapchat. Once 30 days gets over, your Snapchat account, its settings, snaps, chats, story and all the associated data will be deleted permanently. If you change your mind, then you can log back into your Snapchat account and avoid your account from getting deleted. Now to delete the account, tap on Accounts Portal link. On the screen, simply enter your username and password. Tap on Continue button. You will get a confirmation screen for account deletion, and once you confirm, your Snapchat account will be deleted. So that is how you can delete your Snapchat account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.